डाउट है और सभी डाउट्स क्लियर होगा?
Yes, clear.
Okay. So we configured still financial accounting general ledger में okay, so master data में जेल अकाउंट्स का क्या हुआ है लाइन आइटम्स नहीं okay, so प्रिपरेशन का बारे में so अकाउंट ग्रुप हो गए. नेक्स्ट ओके रिटर्न अर्निंग्स अकाउंट.
Okay.
So वो भी 53 करो. सो रिटर्न अर्निंग्स क्या हो सकता है? हमको प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बिल्ड करने का ना. Okay, when you are defining so the P&L account, okay, so profit and loss account statement, okay, so what are we going to get? Either the gross loss or gross profit we will get, right?
Yes.
So that gross loss or gross profit, okay, we will be transferring to the balance sheet account, right?
Right.
So to transfer this to identify or to capture whether it is a loss or income, okay, from the P&L account statement, okay, so we need a return earnings account. Okay. So this return earnings account is nothing but okay, it is a GL account. This GL account, okay, which we are calling as the balance carry forward account. Okay, what balance is? Okay, so what balance, okay, which will be stored? It will be storing either the gross profit or gross loss, okay, which comes from our P&L statement, from the profit and loss account statement. Okay. Those balances, okay, which will be automatically transferred to the balance sheet, okay, with the help of okay this GL account. So for that, okay, we are configuring this return earnings account. So path will be the same path. What is same path? So instead of return earnings account, instead of account groups, we go to click on define return earnings account. Click on that. Click give okay, so your chart of accounts. So I will be giving my chart of accounts as C552. Right?
Yes, right.
Then the P&L statement ka type hai na, okay, either you can give X or Y, any one digit code. I'm giving as a X. And here okay, GL account hai na, वो GL account और liability का एक range में दिया ना. Okay, वो account group में. Okay, so in the previous step, here we have created account groups, right? Okay, right. In the account groups, okay, we have updated the range for liabilities. So if you go here, C553 or C552 is my chart of accounts. For this, okay, this is what okay we entered the range. So within this range, okay, you can give anything. Okay, what I'm giving, I'm entering this one 2999 number. Okay, we will be updating over here. Okay, so you will be getting okay yellow warning. Whenever you get a yellow warning, you just ignore. How to ignore? Pressing enter. Okay, pressing enter. Okay, that will be accepted. Then click on save. Okay. Like whenever okay you get okay any error warning is here. Okay, anything okay yellow warnings that can be ignored by pressing enter. Okay, if you press enter, okay, system will be accepted. Okay. So this is the concept of return earnings account. Okay. So next, what we can do, this preparation step is over. Line item, okay, nothing is there here to do. Okay, so next, the GL account, we'll go to the business transactions. Under the business transactions, we have okay certain things. Second, this is not necessary. Want something. Okay. Let me get the path. To get this path. So there are, okay, so alag place, I mean, different way. So we have, okay, some multiple ways, okay, to find out the specific configuration. Okay. So
Okay.
either you can go with the configuration transaction code. Okay, from there, okay, we're going to get the view. How are we going to get the view? So let's say this is the another tolerance for GL accounts. Okay, so what I did, I didn't find out the path over there. So then I used, okay, so transaction code. Okay, with that, what I did, I enter into that particular place. But now I want the path. So if I go to the table view and, okay, here there is a print option. In the print may I can get the view. Okay, using this view I can able to identify now. Okay, let me check /SM30. Then I will give you the view. Customizing, customizing. Okay, so it is in the clearing differences. Where it is, okay, under business transactions, under open item clearing, and the clearing differences, here it will be. Okay, this is also we need for that. So next heading, define tolerance for GL accounts. Okay. Next heading, define tolerance for the GL account. The transaction code is OPA0. OPA0. So path it will be something different. Up to GL accounts, okay, it will be the same path. So then after GL account, then it will be a master data. After GL account, it will be a master data. Under master data, business transactions, then we'll go to the open item clearing. Under open item clearing, we will going to be get, the clearing differences. Under the clearing differences, okay, we will going to be get different tolerance for GL accounts. Okay. Basically, what we will do, we will just update our company code. Okay, click on this, then select new entry. New entry में click करो. Give the company code. Give the company code C552. And again, okay, if anything, okay, so which you want to be, have, some differences for GL account clearings. Okay. You can also have, okay, something I can give, so 5 and the 5 or percentage. If you want, okay, this is an optional, but okay, this is mandatory, the company code. But the tolerance for groups for GL account for local currency, if anything, okay, which you want to specify, so additional tolerance, you can give it. If not, you can ignore it. Okay, but the company code assignment is mandatory. Okay, this says otherwise, when you do, okay, any clearing accounts, right? The clearing of, okay, so tax or, okay, so provisions or, accruals or deferrals, okay, those will going to be impacted.
Okay.
Okay, just click on save. So now what we have done, okay, so the basic setup of financial accounting, the company code, the basic setup of financial accounting, and also the setup of, okay, so GL accounts has been done. Now, okay, using this, how we can able to create the ledgers. Okay, so we will see now. Okay, next, create GL accounts. Create, okay, GL accounts, GL codes. So that is FS00 is a transaction code. Basically, this is the end user activity. This is like accounting person activity. Okay, this is not the technical activity, or okay, so the so technical person will not do. But basically, once, okay, so these steps configurations will be done in the backend. Okay, using these particular steps, what we will do, the users will going to be create the GL accounts as and when they need, okay, any separate books. Okay. Now, for this, what I will do, I will going to be share you, okay, one template. Okay. Well, let me find out. Okay, so